Chapter 1 of Management Accounting. Introduction to Management Accounting. Before we discuss what management accounting is, let us first discuss the concept of management. So, can you imagine a school like, for example, ACLC, without it having a principal or a school president, or a government without a president? I think it is not possible. The same with all business organizations. So, management. Management is defined as the art of getting things done through other people. So why it is defined as an art? Art in a sense that managing requires certain skills which are personal possessions of a manager. Management requires also perfection through practice, practical knowledge, creativity, and others. So management is also defined as the process of planning, organizing, and controlling tasks to realize the objectives of the organization. So management comprises of four main activities. It is called as management basic functions. It includes planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, or it is called the POLC. So these POLCs are used in order for the goals of the organizations be achieved. When we consider the four functions of management, regardless of the industry, they are all the same, meaning mapa manufacturing, merchandising, or service-oriented ang isang entity ay applicable ang POLC. So we discuss now planning. Planning is defined as setting immediate and long-term objectives. It is also defined as deciding which alternative is best suited to attain the set objectives. So, in addition, planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, or how it is gonna be done. In short, it answers questions of what, who, when, where, and why. Planning is also be deciding what will be the company's mission, vision, and etc. Or simply stated, ang planning ay ang pag-set up ng direksyon ng isang organization. So we now go to organizing. Organizing is defined as deciding how to utilize available resources as plans are carried out. It is also the tackling of activities necessary to achieve objectives such as staffing, subordinating, directing, and motivating. Organizing is called the backbone of management. It is the grouping of activities. Like for example, in a business entity, may iba't ibang department like recruitment, marketing and sales, production and operations. Organizing also includes making of organizational structures or the hierarchy of business. It also includes the delegation of authority and creation of responsibilities, and also tasks which are important in accomplishing the objectives efficiently and effectively. Next is leading. Leading is defined as to make the plans complete. It also involves supervision, motivation, and guidance of employees to ensure that organizational goals are met. Leading is said to be the most important and challenging of all managerial activities. So bakit challenging? Maybe it is challenging in a way that leading basically involves influencing and prompting of, of every member of the organization in order for them to work together to achieve the goals of the organization. So in here, managers are focused on inspiring their people at the same time influencing their behaviors. So the last basic function will be controlling. So after undergoing the three activities of management, it is now the task of management to take effect controlling activities. So controlling is defined as comparing actual performance with set plans or standards. It is also deciding what corrective actions to take should there be any deviation or variance between actual and planned performance. So controlling means measuring a performance on a set of standards and correcting deviations. So dito, mag-create si manager ng iba't ibang processes or mechanisms to correct and achieve objectives. And also to make sure na yung target or objective ni entity ay na-meet. At kung hindi man, ay kailangan itong makorek ni management within a specific period only. So we now go to management accounting. So management accounting is the process of measuring and reporting information about economic entity within organizations for use of managers in planning, performance evaluation, and operational control.